Thank you for watching my videos. In this channel, I will visit Japan and places around the world to record the scenery through my viewfinder. This time, I'd like to shoot using a waist-level viewfinder I built myself. As you can see, the top opens and closes, and the mechanism allows you to look through it from above to see the view reflected. I used a 3D printer to build it. It's amazing how even someone like me, who never studied modeling, can easily recreate what I envision right at home in this day and age. After about 2 hours bus ride from Tokyo Station, I will stay at a hotel the night before and then walk from there to catch the sunrise the next morning. The sky is clear and bright, and I can expect a beautiful sunrise. First, I will set up my camera facing the direction the sun will rise. It's gradually getting brighter. The wind turbines lining the coast create a striking view. Looking the other way, I spotted people enjoying fishing from early morning. I like to try capturing this view where wind turbines stretch out beyond the horizon. As the sun rises higher, the world gradually shifts from a hazy red hue to something crisp and defined. I decided to head towards the rotating wind turbines that I saw in the distance earlier. Turbines spinning against the blue sky look powerful and have such beauty that you could watch them forever without getting tired of it. I stared at it for a while, wondering where the wind that turns the turbine had come from. I was quite exhausted from walking toward the sea since 2 a.m. that day, so I decided to return to my hotel early. On this day, I visited a shrine hoping to capture a place where I could feel the greenery. Here, where the torii gate stands among the trees, I decided to take my first shot. This shrine has the oldest history in Japan and has a huge cedar tree with a trunk reaching 12 meters in circumference as its sacred tree. It reaches a height of 40 meters and is said to be 1300 years old. I set up my camera, feeling overwhelmed by the trees that have stood here long before we were born. Each tree has its own character, and this bark resembles human expressions. The sound of cicadas gives the solemn atmosphere a sense of weight. As I walked farther in, I found a lovely path lined with trees stretching straight ahead on both sides. You can see just how large the trees are when compared to the size of people walking beneath them. The light filtering through the trees is incredibly beautiful, illuminating the leaves, the bark, and the entire space with a stunning glow. The sound of cicadas echoed everywhere, making me feel as though I had wandered into the vast forest. Thank you for watching the videos up to this point. This was my first time shooting with a viewfinder I made myself using a 3D printer, so it was a good opportunity to find various points for improvement. Your thoughts are greatly appreciated, so if you have any comments, I would be delighted if you could share them in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.